Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to optimize your Squarespace site for local search. This is a very powerful component of SEO, so I'm really excited to show you how it works. When you set up your site in a way that Google recognizes your location, customers can find your business through their local searches, such as restaurants near me. This is a big opportunity if you have a storefront or a local office, but it can also be helpful if you provide service or don't have a physical location. That's because you'll start to rank for local queries that are typically less competitive, but still have plenty of opportunity to reach new customers. Even better is that your business will appear on Google Maps with other businesses in your area, so you'll have an additional opportunity to be discovered by potential customers. So let's start the video. We're going to use the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings, and then click on Business Information. Fill in the phone number, email address, and physical address for your business. If you don't have a physical location, you can use your home address here. The same applies to your email and phone number. Don't worry, because you have the option to hide it from public view. Once you fill it out, you'll see it adjust to your location on the map. Next, if you want to fill in your business and store hours, this is where you need to do it. This is very important for new customers who find you online, but may plan to visit your store in person. Even if your business is online only, I still recommend you fill this out. It's helpful for potential customers to know when to contact you during the week. Now to fill this out, you'll use the predefined format they've provided, and you'll notice that Squarespace will remind you if you break this format. So start time, dash, close time. And once you've done that, you can scroll up and save. Let's click back to Settings and go back to the home screen. We have one last section to fill out here. Go back to Marketing and click on Location Management. This section gives us the opportunity to connect to Google My Business, which is a great way to get your business to show up in local searches. Go ahead and click on Add Location. If you already have a Google My Business account and you've already upgraded to Squarespace Business, you can import a Google location or connect it to your account. If you don't have a Google My Business account yet, this will be the first step. We'll show you how to set up your location for the first time. Select Create New Location and add your business name here. Click Next, and we're going to add our business address city, PIN code here again. Now if you don't have a formal business address, I'll skip this section because it will be public. As we type, you'll see that Google will generate some options for you, and then we'll click Next. And for local services, if your business offers delivery or other local features, you can toggle this service area button to add any of your delivery areas so that local customers can be aware. Go ahead and click Next. So for categories, we'll want to choose from the top preloaded categories that apply to your business. For Hester Pickles, I'm going to select Grocery Store. Add another category and select Food Producer. Add another category and select Farm Shop. You have the option to add 12 categories, but I think that's enough for our storefront. So I'll click Next. Again, contact information is where you'll enter your dedicated business phone number and email address. If you don't have this information, I'll leave it blank because again, it will be public. Click business hours. We're going to add our business hours here. You'll just re-enter this information again and remember that this is public. So be as accurate as you can. Let's move on to the next screen and add a description of your business. Be as clear as you can, but also descriptive. This will be the introduction of your brand to customers who find you this way. For Hester Pickles, I'm going to add something like farm fresh and salted pickles. I'm sure you can create something even better than the pickles I just described. Let's go ahead and click next. Finally, you have the opportunity to upload images of your business, your storefront, or your logo. I'm not going to do that today. So instead, I'll click Finish. You will now be asked to connect to Google My Business. I recommend that you do this, but you can do this at any time. So for now, choose the option to save it by clicking on Not Now and proceed further.
Now your website is optimized for local search. Once you connect your Google My Business account, you can make changes, add photos, and update your information at any time to make it a better customer experience. I hope this video has been helpful to you.